Ngayong hapon din po sa Kababayan LA, pag-uusapan natin, seryosong usapan po, Spratlys, at ano po ang ginagawa ng ating mga kababayang Filipino-Americans to protest yung tinatawag nilang bullying tactics ng China dyan sa West Philippine Sea. We have that discussion for you today also on the show. But before that, in the past, we've been showing you some of what we did in Taiwan. We had so much fun, and if you're thinking of traveling, why not check it out? Mag-stop over po kayo sa Taiwan before you go to the Philippines, and here's a tip for you if you want to go shopping. Trip to Taipei is not complete without a trip to Sogo. Sogo is a very popular department store in Japan, but they found investors and partners here in Taiwan. And so here now we are in front of one of the Sogo department stores in Taipei. The price is not cheap, but they say the price is fair and the quality is very good. We cannot talk about shopping in Taiwan without talking about Taipei 101, which is right now the tallest building in the world. Nakakalula po talaga, not just because of its size, but because of the super high-end brands available inside the mall. But you know what? It's not just a mall. There's an observation deck. It is a tourist attraction on its own. In fact, it is a community on its own. People come here to shop or sometimes to window shop, but people also come here to relax, you know, have tea, have coffee with friends. There is a fountain right here where people can actually have fun, cool down as well, especially in a hot day like this. But right now you see a lot of kids playing, and so we're just going to have fun, going to relax here in Taipei 101. Taipei 101 is now the tallest building in the whole world. It ranks second to Burj Khalifa when the building opened in Dubai in 2010. But since the building in the Middle East closed down over some concerns, Taipei 101 went back to the top of the tallest skyscraper list. Formerly known as the Taipei World Financial Center, the landmark is located in Xinyi District in Taipei and serves as an icon of modern Taiwan. There are 101 floors above ground and 5 floors underground. The building's architecture is a symbol of evolution of technology and the Asian tradition. Its post-modernist approach to style incorporates traditional design elements with modern treatments. The tower is designed to withstand typhoons and earthquakes, which are regular concerns in Taiwan. On New Year's Eve, fireworks launched from Taipei 101 feature prominently in several New Year's Eve broadcasts throughout the world. But the rest of the year, Taipei 101 is bustling with tourists and shoppers who come here for fashionable stores, restaurants, clubs, and its very famous observation deck, which gives visitors the feeling of being on top of the world.
Oh, this is the best thing that happened to my life. The one that I experienced, now I reached that 101 floor, and it's so nice. I like it very much. Maybe I want to experience that one more time. You're supposed to come and see this place. It's really very nice.
Okay, we went to 101st floor, okay? The tallest one in the world. And imagine for about 45 seconds. It's so fast, we didn't even feel it. We're in there already. So nice, we see the whole beautiful of Taipei. Very nice. Okay, come and join us next time.
Shopping destination here in Taiwan, all you need to do is look for the night market. We are now at Shilin Night Market. It opens at 4:30 and closes anywhere from 10:30 to 12 depending on the situation. And there are two phrases that you need to remember here, very important. 多少钱 meaning how much, or if you want to bargain, the magic word is 便宜一点. Night markets abound in Taiwan, but Shilin Market, located in the Shilin district of Taipei, is often considered to be the largest and most famous spot. For many Taiwanese, this night market is not just a shopping place, but also an interesting reflection of Taiwanese culture and lifestyle. Shilin Market encompasses two distinct sections sharing a symbiotic relationship. A section formerly housed in the old Shilin Market building, containing mostly food vendors and small eateries, and the surrounding businesses and shops selling other non-food items. The food court holds 539 stalls, and the second floor serves as a parking lot for 400 cars. In addition to the food court, side streets and alleys are lined with storefronts and roadside stands. Movie theaters, video arcades, and karaoke stores are also prevalent in the area. Like most night markets in Taiwan, the local businesses and vendors begin opening around 4 p.m. as students begin returning home from school. Crowds reach their peak between 8 and 11 p.m., and businesses continue operating well past midnight and close around 1 or 2 a.m. Tourist traffic has increased in recent years due to the opening of the metro system. The night market is close to Jiantan Station and the Danshui Line, or Red Line, as it's known by locals. From the platform of Jiantan Station, riders can see the enclosed food court located across the street from the MRT station. Come on, guys. I know you know that you deserve a break, so why not travel to Taiwan right now? Call the travel agent and book your reservation and book your flight and book your hotel right now. Meanwhile, here on Kababayan LA, we have more for you. Don't go away.